The check engine light is on my BMW i3, so I'm going to use this cheap diagnostic tool to see if I can see what it says. This is my 2016 BMW i3. It's electric with a range extender, which means there's a 600cc petrol engine in there as well, which is probably causing the check engine light. I'm gonna turn the ignition on, and you'll see that the check engine light stays on. There you go. So the diagnostic port is underneath the dashboard. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's under there somewhere. There you go. There it is. And I'm going to plug in there. So let's plug this in. Usually I just feel around with my finger to find it, and then once it plugs in, once it's plugged in, we've got the power showing on the diagnostic device. So I'm going to turn the ignition on again. I'm going to turn the ignition on again. There you go. It's on. And let's see. I've selected OBD, click OK. Scanning through the different read codes. Oh, so no codes. Let's try and erase anyway. Okay, it says to turn it off. Yes. Okay, according to this, it's now erased the codes. So go back, exit OBD test, yes. So let's turn the ignition on again and see what happened. No? Okay. Engine light is still there. So the VIN number matches, so it is actually reading. Let's try and read the fault codes again. We'll just click on this DTC button, see what it does. And it says no codes are stored. So basically that means even though there's a check engine light on, this OBD2 scanner can't read that code. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos on real car diagnostics.